If you're a real estate business owner and you are struggling to generate quality lead in your business, then this video is for you. In the last 7 months, I have trained many real estate companies on effective Facebook advert and lead generation strategy. And in this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful lead generation strategy that every real estate business owner needs to start using. The very first one is to use local videos. You go for site inspection every time, and then you come back, you don't even talk about it. That is an error. Whenever you go for site inspection, there is supposed to be a video person that is following you, capturing the movement, capturing the site, capturing what you are saying, capturing how the customer is inspecting the site, so that after that site inspection, you can actually get 5 to 10 shots from just one site inspection. Then you can post it on stories, you can post it on status, you can post it on all your social media handles. From there, you can start generating lead, because when people watch that other people are doing site inspection, and then when you are posting it, you are going to call them to action. Today, we've just had a successful site inspection at social estate. See, if you want to start your journey for land investment, this is the real estate company you need to talk to. Why don't you book a free inspection today? Why don't you call this number? Why don't you click on the link to chat us on WhatsApp? From there, if you do it consistently, you are going to start generating massive lead. And let me shock you, one site inspection is enough to get up to 10 videos you are going to post for the next 10 days. I don't know why many real estate companies are not doing it, but if you are just seeing this video for the very first time, this is your blessing. Anytime you go for site inspection, from the movement, from the inspecting, from what the customers is saying, from what they like about the product, about the land, you are going to capture all of these, so that after the inspection, you're going to have different shots. You post it everywhere, on your stories, on your status, on social media, on YouTube, every single place. From there, you can start generating quality lead. Let me shock you, a video you posted 6 months ago can generate a lead that will invest 10 million naira in your business today. That is the power of videos, because as long as you have posted it, it is there. You don't even know who might watch it or who it might reach, and that person might just know somebody that will make an investment. Bottom line is for you to take video creation very seriously, and one easy way to build trust is not to wear suit and start talking to them. If you want to invest 50 million, go raw, go local, video those site inspection, video those land, video those movements, and post them on social media. You're going to start generating quality lead that way. Number 2 is to show client testimonials. When you go for site inspection, you don't just go for the inspection and come back. After every site inspection, mount your camera in front of your customer face and say, "Sir, you've come to inspect this property. What is there one thing that you love about this property?" If you do it for 5 people, 10 people that have done inspection, you're going to have 10 different client testimonials. And when you are doing this testimonial, ensure that the call to action, they are going to actually recommend you. They will be like, if you want to start your land investment, they will mention the name of your company and tell people to come and do business with you. Because what a client said is 10 times powerful than all the suits, all the pictures, all the video you have been posting. Client testimonials are powerful. Every time you go for site inspection, always get a testimonial from your client. There must be one thing they like about the property. Is it that they have access road? Is it that it's actually close to some big buildings? Or is an appreciating area? They have to say something they like about the property. Or maybe because of the flexible payment plan. Get those testimonials and cut them into different videos. Start posting them. Every time you post, ensure that you have call to action. If you want to book a free inspection today, chat us on WhatsApp. Click on this link, message us, call us. From there, you can start seeing people messaging you. "Oh, I saw your video on YouTube. Oh, I saw your video on social media. Oh, I saw your video on Instagram. How can we do business?" From there, you can start your journey to making more property sales. This is one lead generation strategy that you must not joke with. Starting from today, start collecting client testimonials in your business. Number 3, you need to start running targeted Facebook ad or Instagram ad or Google ad. You want to start generating quality lead. You don't have to be focusing only on posting. You have gone for site inspection, you've gotten these videos, you've gotten these client testimonials. Pay Facebook to boost that video for you. Pay Facebook to show this video in front of people that are actually looking for land investment. That way, you're going to start getting more people to message you. And remember, for every post you make with these videos, always have a call to action. Always put a link. By the way, if you don't have a customized link on WhatsApp now, go and create it. The link is wa.link. Go there and you create your customized link so that whenever anybody click it from anywhere, it's going to land them on your WhatsApp or your business WhatsApp. So go to wa.link and you're going to create that link. If you post on Instagram, put the link there. Post on TikTok, put the link there. Post on Facebook, post on YouTube, post on WhatsApp. Put the link everywhere so that when people click on it, it sends them directly to your WhatsApp. From there, they can save your number. They will now start viewing your status, start seeing some new deals that are coming. When you're having promo, you're going to make more sales. This is the secret. If you don't have lead, I'm sorry, property sales will not happen by magic. You need to gather a lot of leads that are interested in what you are selling. From there, they can start getting more property from you. That way, you're going to increase your real estate sales. And if you want to learn more on how to run Facebook advert or Instagram ad, this is the channel you need to subscribe to. Every single day, I post either short or long that are showing you secrets, tips, strategies, lessons and failures that you can utilize and run profitable Facebook ad. How to optimize, scale, duplicate, test your advert and get better results. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell. I guarantee you, if you watch one video from this channel for the next 30 days, you will be so glad that you discovered this channel. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Secret number 4 is to educate daily. I have seen a lot of real estate company and they are only posting flyers on WhatsApp, and at the end of the 30 days, they can't even boast of selling one property. And I have seen other real estate company that use another route. Every time they are coming online, they are doing live training, they are showing value, they are giving value to their clients, they are teaching them something, they are showing them how to know if a land is appreciating or depreciating, they are showing them how to know if a land is a scam or genuine. They are actually helping their customers to make informed decisions. And these are real estate companies that are doing massive sales, because when you go on social media, before you scroll to their top 10 posts, you have actually gotten value, and that's where you are hooked already. So if you want to start making more sales, start educating every day. On your WhatsApp status, educate. On your Instagram story, educate. On your social media handle, educate. On YouTube, you can shoot a video and educate. At the end of each video, you tell them, see, if you want to start making your property investment, I have so affordable property in so places and it's going for so amount. All you need is to click on the link or call me or message me. I will start from there. Conversations lead to conversion. So if you start making conversation around your product and your customers, you are going to definitely increase your conversion. The 5th secret is to offer irresistible freebies. I see a lot of real estate companies, they offer free inspection, and that is beautiful. So when you're offering free inspection, you're offering free documentation, you can find different things you can actually offer for free. So you can say, when you buy this property, we're going to give you something for free. I know a real estate company that whenever you buy a land, they can give you fridge, they can give you bag of rice, they can give you something, they can give you microwave, they can give you iron. Some of them even offer tablets. So you need to start offering freebies, because these are the things that will make your offer very irresistible. The question is, there are 5 real estate companies in Abuja. Why should I patronize you and not patronize them? You have to stand out, and the easiest way you stand out is to make your offer very irresistible. The 6th secret is to leverage your WhatsApp status, and there's a reason this is important, because when you post on social media, algorithm takes control of how many people your post reach. Even this video I'm making on YouTube, the algorithm will take control of how many people the video is going to reach. But whenever you post on WhatsApp, there is no algorithm there. If you have 5,000 people on WhatsApp, you post, those posts are going to reach 5,000 people. Whether they view or not is up to them, but if it's about your post reaching them, it's definitely going to reach them, because at the time of making this video, there is no algorithm on WhatsApp. Maybe they can introduce it later, but right now you need to take advantage of it. If you have a WhatsApp group and you have 1,000 people in that group, every post you drop there, 1,000 people are going to be reached with that post. Whether they open it or not is still up to them, but the question is, let the post be reaching them. If you have 5,000 followers on social media, make a post, check your analytics, you will see that your post will not even reach up to 1,000 people. That is how bad it is, and that's why you must leverage on WhatsApp. How do you do that? Create wa.link. Whenever you make a post about real estate, put that link in the comment section. It could be a stranger from other profile that are just seeing it and they tap on it. they reach you on WhatsApp. It could be on YouTube and somebody is watching from another country. They just see that link, they reach you on WhatsApp. If you check my description, there is a link that directs people to WhatsApp. So every video I'm posting has that link. And that's how I'm generating my own lead. People are coming, they are booking one-on-one consultation, I'm having one-on-one coaching, they are buying my program, they are following me online, and my followers is increasing. You need to create a customized link on WhatsApp that directs everybody to your WhatsApp. When they come, they save your number, you save theirs, they start viewing your status. From there, sales will start to happen. Like I said, conversation leads to conversion. The seventh secret is to actually host live. You can do it weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Why this is important is that every real estate company that has their potential customers' interests at heart always win. There are a lot of market trends. There are a lot of question and answer that your customers have. You can host live question and answer. Even if it's on WhatsApp, you can just open the group and host a question and answer live. You can come on social media and say, ask me anything you want to know about real estate, ask me any question you have, and I will answer you. You just host this thing. People will get value. From there, some people will discover that this business is existing. From there, you can generate more lead. Like I said, every post you are making about real estate, please include that link in the comment section. You never can tell how that link is going to help your business. If you have gotten enough value from this video, please like this video so that YouTube algorithm can show it to more people. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so that you can get notification every single time that I upload video. And if you want to learn my 7 powerful marketing secrets that made me 70 million naira in the last 6 months, check this video here.